Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this blue volcano. Alright, the question today is, what is a blue volcano? Alright, let's run through the colors. Primary yellow, cad yellow, pearly red dark, quin red, burnt sienna, Van Dyke brown, cyan, quin blue, phthalo blue, phthalo green, titanium white, Mars black. Alright, today we're going to do a painting of blue lava.
What's the plan? Heavy breathing, stay insane. Grab my hand. Everything is great inside this narrow maze. We speak, but oh, nothing. We run our separate ways. Do you ever think about me? Or are you busy with someone else? You and I, we got our differences. Yeah, I thought we were more alike than unlike. Months of rain and chest pain. What's the plan? Heavy breathing, stay insane. Now grab my hand. Everything is great inside this narrow maze. Everything has lost its taste. Ooh. Months of rain and chest pain.
So a blue volcano is a special volcano in East Indonesia, and this volcano sits on a deposit of blue sulfide, and so there's a lot of sulfide content inside of the volcanic lava. So when it hits the air and oxidizes, it turns blue. So, and you can only really see this color at night. During the day it kind of looks like normal, not normal, but more like a normal volcano with the orange. So at night it kind of, you can see that blue sulfide really hit the air, and it's really interesting area for the blue volcano. All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So we got this really nice kind of smoke from the sulfide coming off of the skyline, which is where the volcano is originating. You can see the really small tracer coming out from the very far background, and then it kind of gets a little bit more definition with different blues and kind of combinations at the bottom of the painting, along with that volcanic rock on the sides. Compositionally, it has that really nice 2/3 feel where you have like the skyline at the thirds, you got a little bit of distance with further out volcanoes or mountains out there, and then you got the kind of volcanic surroundings in the foreground, and you just have that nice kind of S-curve, similar, it's not really an S-curve, but it's similar to an S-curve. It kind of looks like a double S-curve per se. And I really like this composition. It was really cool. I'd never seen a blue volcano in my life, so I was just like, what the heck? I thought for sure it was a Photoshop. I was like, there's just like some weird conspiracy theory I found today, you know? But if you go to Indonesia, they have this volcano and has a really high sulfide content, and that causes the lava to change to blue once it hits the oxygen, and it kind of oxygenates, and you know, you have that chemical reaction between the lava and the skyline as, you know, kind of cooling off and just sparking that color. So it's really cool. There is, if you see this in reality, you're going to have a little bit of orange. I took that out. I didn't want to kind of I just like that pure blue with the black, so I kind of simplified it a little bit. Overall, I think it's a pretty cool painting. Not sure how to improve it. I think it's pretty good. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see the full version, check my Patreon account. If you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.
Everything is great inside this narrow